Hello students, welcome back to the class. In our previous class we started the topic rational numbers, right? In that class we studied what is the closure property of rational number under addition. Now today let us go further. First of all, let us see types of rational numbers and the properties of rational number, other properties of rational number. First of all, we are having positive rational numbers. As the integers are positive integers, negative integers, same ways rational numbers are also positive rational numbers, negative rational numbers. So what are positive rational number? See, 11 upon 20, minus 6 upon minus 7. What you can observe here? Here both the numerator and denominator are positive in the first one, 11 upon 20. Minus 6 upon minus 7 is having both the numerator and denominator negative. So the rational number which is having either both positive or both negative, they are called positive rational number, because here minus 6 upon minus 7, minus cut with minus, it becomes 6 upon 7, positive only. So when the numerator and denominator both are either positive or negative, such rational numbers are said to be positive rational numbers. So first one, when numerator and denominator both are either positive or negative, such rational numbers are said to be positive rational numbers. Now next is negative rational numbers. Negative rational numbers. Now which rational numbers are said to be negative rational numbers? Let us see the example. Minus 4 upon 5, 10 upon minus 11. What do we observe here? Here, one of the numerator or denominator, one of them is negative. Either numerator is negative or the denominator is negative. Such rational numbers are said to be negative rational number. Okay. So when either numerator or denominator is negative, one is negative, another is positive, and another is positive, such rational numbers are called negative rational numbers. Okay, these are two type of rational numbers. Now let us see next standard form of rational number. Our third is standard form of rational numbers. So when we say the rational number is in the form of standard, suppose you are having one rational number 2 upon 3, another minus 6 upon 8, another 11 upon 22. What do we observe here? Let us take one more, 7 upon minus 8. 2 upon 3 cannot cut further, it is already in the lowest term. No common factor among 2 and 3. Now minus 6 upon 8 can cut further with the table of 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. It becomes minus 3 upon 4. 11 upon 22, let us cut. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. It becomes 1 upon 2. Now 7 upon minus 8, in the standard form denominator should never be negative, it should always be positive. तो 7 upon minus 8 को हम further multiply कर देते हैं minus 1 से. Equivalent rational numbers, minus 1 से numerator multiply कर दिया, minus 1 से ही denominator multiply कर दिया. So we got minus 7 upon 8, minus minus plus 8. So such rational numbers which are in the lowest term, जो further cut नहीं होते, no common number, no common factor between numerator and denominator. Lowest term होना चाहिए first of all. Second, denominator should not be negative. So two things are there. First, it should be in lowest term. Cutting should be done and it should be lowest term. Second criteria, denominator should not be negative. It should always be positive. Denominator should be positive. So if these two conditions are fulfilled, so yes, the rational number is said to be in the standard form of rational number. Now our next term is absolute value. Let us check out. What is absolute value? Absolute value is the numerical value of a rational number. Numerical means number. Only the number without sign. Only the numerical value of a rational number. नेगेटिव साइन चाहिए ही नहीं उसमें. कैसे? अगर आपका 2/3 एक रैशनल नंबर है, put the absolute sign. Positive rational number will remain positive only. If it is negative, -2/3, put the absolute sign. It will also turn into 2/3. अगर आपका थर्ड है 2/-3, डिनोमिनेटर तो शुड नॉट बी नेगेटिव, वो तो हमेशा पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए, तो इट ऑल्सो बिकम्स 2/3. So absolute value, change the sign to positive. Positive remain positive, yes, but if it is negative, numerator or denominator, that also turn into positive. So absolute value, change the negative sign into positive. So this is just the numerical value, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3 without any negative sign. So what is absolute value? It is the numerical value. Numerical value means number, only number without sign. Numerical value of a rational number regardless of the sign. Means sign नहीं चाहिए, पॉजिटिव तो पॉजिटिव ही होगा और नेगेटिव भी पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. Okay, so we have done positive rational numbers, negative rational numbers, standard form of rational number, absolute value of rational number. Let us go further. Our next is, let us see the additive identity. What is additive identity of rational number? As the name says, additive, so that means something it is related to addition. And identity means which maintains the identity of the number. कि उसकी वही identity रहे. Identity should not get changed. हमारा 5th point है additive identity. इसको हम पहले सिंपल नंबर से अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. 5 एक नंबर ले लिया, इसमें हम क्या प्लस कर दें कि ये 5 ही रहे. सो व्हाट इज दैट नंबर? 0. अगर हम 5 में 0 प्लस करते हैं तो इट विल रिमेन 5 ओनली. सेम वेज लेट अस सी -8. -8 में क्या प्लस कर दें कि वो -8 ही रहे? 0. So it will remain -8 only. So 0 is the additive identity of a number. Same is the concept followed for rational numbers also. Same concept, only the integer be replaced by rational number. 2/3 में क्या प्लस कर दें कि वो 2/3 रहे? 0. It will remain 2/3. -6/7 में क्या प्लस कर दें कि उस -6/7 ही रहे? Yes, 0 only. So 0 is such a number, such a beautiful number which maintains the identity of a number. उसकी अपनी identity, उसकी अपनी पहचान maintain रखता है without making any change. So 0 is the additive identity of rational numbers. 0 is the additive identity of rational numbers. 0 is the additive identity of rational number under addition. It is under addition, that is why it is called additive. Now our next is, let us check out additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Inverse means, as the name says, उल्टा. Inverse means उसका उल्टा. देखो, -2/3 में हम क्या प्लस करें ऐसा नंबर कि आंसर 0 आ जाए. 5 में हम क्या प्लस करें कि आंसर 0 आ जाए. 5 में हम -5 प्लस कर दें. 5 - 5 0. तो उसका उल्टा. -5 में हम क्या प्लस कर दें कि 0 आ जाए. -5 में हम +5 कर दें, उसका उल्टा 0 आ गया. सो द इनवर्स ऑफ दैट गिवन नंबर इज द एडिटिव इनवर्स. -2/3 में क्या प्लस करें, 2/3. बोथ आर ऑपोजिट साइन, आंसर विल बी 0. एक और देखो, सपोज आपके पास 6/7 है. 6/7 में क्या प्लस कर दें कि ये 0 हो जाए. -6/7. It becomes 6/7 plus minus 6/7 gives us 0. So just the opposite of the given rational number tells us the additive inverse. Okay. Our next term is reciprocal. So let us check out what is reciprocal of a rational number. Reciprocal means ulta. Ulta in the terms of upside down. Numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. 2/3 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा, 3/2 अपसाइड डाउन. -6/7 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा, -7/6 उल्टा. माइनस साइन नहीं चेंज किया. व्हाई? बिकॉज स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म टेल्स अस कि डिनोमिनेटर हमेशा पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. सो डिनोमिनेटर कीप द पॉजिटिव. अगर आपका नंबर है 2/10, इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा, 10/2. Okay, these are the reciprocal, just upside down. Numerator turn into denominator, denominator turn into numerator. Here are some of the small tips. What is the reciprocal of 0? Reciprocal of 0 is 0 only. Okay. Reciprocal of 1. 1 का बताओ. 1 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम? 1 can be written as 1/1. रैशनल नंबर, तो उसका उल्टा भी क्या होगा, 1 ओनली, 1/1. थर्ड, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ -1 बताओ. -1 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम, -1/1. अब इसका रेसिप्रोकल इज अगेन -1 ओनली. सो रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 0 इज 0. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of -1 is -1. Rest all rational number just you do upside down. Denominator should be positive. That will be the reciprocal of rational number. So I hope the conceptual part of the rational number is clear to you. What is positive rational number, what is negative rational number, the absolute value of rational number, then the additive inverse, additive identity, reciprocal of rational numbers, right? So keep on practicing. Thank you. This much for today. If you have understood the concept, please ensure to like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Math Time by Alka Ma'am.